The 3 types of industrial real estate warehouses that you need to be aware of. Number 1, flex space, also known as flexible space. This type of warehouse allows users, tenants, owners to use this space in a very flexible manner. With that being said, very often we see office space being built out in this warehouse, with some warehouse giving you that flexibility to have majority office, majority warehouse. That ratio could be determined depending on the use, but that is flex space, number 1. Number 2, distribution warehouse. This warehouse is very unique in the fact that you will find more roll-up doors, you'll find loading docks. And why is this important? Well, trucks are coming in and out of this facility, and we want to make sure that there is easy access and easy distribution of goods between the warehouse, the trucks, and out of that location. Number 3, manufacturing. Also very, very unique type of warehouse, which requires lots of power. Power because the tools and the mechanisms that are being used in that warehouse require high voltage, high ampage. So that is a very unique factor in that 3rd type of warehouse. So just to review on the 3 types of warehouses we have. Number 1, flex space. Number 2, distribution. Number 3, manufacturing. Don't hesitate to reach out and see how we can help you identify, locate your next warehouse.